Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're scratching your head over the F23 error code on your Electrolux oven in 2025, don't worry. We're diving straight into it. This error typically signals a problem with the oven's door lock mechanism, which is a safety feature to prevent accidents during operation. It's super common in models like the Electrolux range, and fixing it yourself can save you time and money. First off, let's break down what causes this error. The F23 code often pops up due to a faulty door switch, issues with the wiring, or even a simple misalignment of the door. Sometimes, it's triggered by residue buildup or a power surge that disrupts the control board. The good news is that many of these can be resolved with basic troubleshooting. To start, make sure your oven is unplugged for safety. Always prioritize that. Check the door for any obstructions, like crumbs or spills, and clean it thoroughly. Next, try resetting the oven by unplugging it for a few minutes, then plugging it back in and running a test cycle. If the error persists, inspect the door latch for visible damage and ensure it's properly aligned. You might need a multimeter to test the door switch for continuity. If it's faulty, you'll have to replace it, which is a straightforward part swap available online. If none of these steps work, it could indicate a deeper issue with the control board or wiring, so it's time to call in a professional technician. Remember, messing with electrical components without expertise can be dangerous. In summary, understanding the F23 error helps you tackle it head-on. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more appliance tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe and happy cooking. See you next time.